Omnitas have empowered us to build the Monday.com systems that enable us to be better supported, connected, and deliver our projects with more clarity and confidence. I am convincing a lot of people that it's a bloody good tool. My name is Billy Casey. I'm the operations manager for Angel O'Donnell. I look after the day-to-day running of the business, and we specialise in creating homes for our private clients and developing show homes for our developers. Omnitas collaboration started just under 2 years ago. I saw that Monday.com was being used and Omnitas was attached to that. I reached out and spoke with the Omnitas team to figure out what our collaboration might look like over the coming years and what our business was doing and what the trajectory looked like, what we needed. We were originally using Monday.com, but in a very, very light touch capacity. There might have been a few project boards. We have gained knowledge from Omnitas around how to be more efficient in our project management side. And now we've moved into using it for financial data, internal objectives, such as our business growth plan. And we're also looking to expand further into our events and using it for that, alongside any other elements we feel that we can build into that system without there being a new overhead. And that's through knowledge through Omnitas of imparting flexible and more efficient ways of working. It was great that Omnitas listened to the pains that we had from an operational standpoint, but also understand the vision of where we wanted to be. We're a business that we know we need to consistently evolve, and we try to be better than other studios. One of the things that we've been really keen on doing is revisiting our projects, revisiting what that project looked like and how it played out, right from the early days of business development, right through to design, procurement. We now use Monday.com to interpret the data that we've entered in it. So it might be that there's a planned timeline that I initially put in, and then there might be an actual timeline that may overrun. We're able to now look back at measurable data of the tasks that we've had in there, the people that have been signed to it, the timelines we provided, and review collectively as a studio and go, what went wrong there? Omnitas have been huge for us. Imparting knowledge has been the biggest win. I only know so much as I do about Monday.com, workflow, automations, integrations, because of the Omnitas team. And that's been through events, or one-to-one coaching, scoping calls on figuring out what we want to do. And Omnitas understand what we're trying to achieve, which if we align our visions, then we take leaps and bounds in the development of the software. We've only been using it a short space of time. It's coming up to 2 years, and it was nothing 2 years ago. And now it underpins everything we do. So why would we not keep using this tool that is forever evolving too? And thanks to Omnitas, we know what's coming. And we can prepare for that and roll with it. Rather than being reactive, there's a really good proactive relationship between Angel O'Donnell and Omnitas. Omnitas are at the absolute forefront of what's happening with Monday.com. I would recommend Omnitas and Monday.com. I've used a variety of different, I'll call them platforms and CRMs. I think that Monday.com has been the most flexible and adaptable to the needs of our business. Omnitas have a great knowledge and tend to be at the forefront of some of the stuff that's coming out. If anything, I think I've seen Omnitas sometimes be ahead of a curve of Monday of some of the tools, which has been fantastic. Because you're able to share that knowledge with us, we can start thinking about what we might want to change internally to improve efficiencies. And for us to be able to impart our knowledge and the journey that we've had through with Omnitas is quite heartfelt. It's quite cool because I think it's really good that Omnitas share the vision of so many different businesses and you empower people to make decisions to make people's work lives better.